Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you have all enjoyed the second week of camp and have liked everything we had set up for you. Once again, it's Friday, so it's time for another health video. This week's topic is nutrition. I want to start this video by saying that if this is a sensitive topic for you, please don't feel pressured. I also want to say that the information in this video is very general and for an average person, but all of our bodies are different and unique. I also want to mention that I'm not an expert. I just did some research and got different points of views from medical articles. And if you want more information on the general guidelines of what I found, I'll link that in this video. And with that, let's start. We hear a lot about nutritious meals and nutrients, but I want to take a step back and just make sure we understand what it actually is. So a person's body is really great and amazing and capable, but it can't produce everything that it needs to function. So that's where nutrients come in. And a nutrient is a substance that provides nourishment essential for growth and the maintenance of life. And every single person needs the same type of nutrients, and there are 6. Which they are vitamins, minerals, protein, fat, water, and carbohydrates. From those nutrients, there are 2 different categories. The first one is a macronutrient, and macronutrients are the nutrients you need in larger amounts, and micronutrients, as you could probably tell, are the opposite. They are nutrients you need in smaller amounts. But even just a small deficiency in these nutrients could make you really tired or really sick. So first I want to talk about the macronutrients, and these are water, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. So I'm going to go into each of these and just explain a little bit more of what they are. Did you know that a person can only survive a few days without drinking water, or that the human body is made up of mostly water? For this reason, it's super important to drink water throughout the day so that you can be well hydrated. It is recommended that you drink 2 liters of water a day, but this could easily be more if you like to go outside and play or do sports so that your body can cool down. Water is so important that I'm actually going to do a whole video on just water and hydration in a couple of weeks, so look forward to that video. Every cell in your body needs protein to function properly. Proteins not only make sure that you have strong muscles, but they also help with growth of your bones, hair, and skin. Although meats and fish contain the highest amount and level of protein, vegans and vegetarians can get enough protein from various plant products, and it has actually been shown that there's not a difference in quality between meat and plant proteins. So if you're ever too scared of getting good quality protein and want to try a plant-based diet, it's totally okay to give that a try. Carbohydrates are super important because they are the ones who provide energy for our bodies. But you have to be careful about what types of carbs you consume. Chips have a lot of carbohydrates, but chips, no matter how delicious they are not the most healthy foods. These type of carbohydrates are called simple carbohydrates, and they are mostly sugar. The better type of carb is called complex carbohydrates. These are healthier because they have a mix of starch and fiber. So some of the foods with a good source of complex carbohydrates are brown rice, vegetables, whole grain bread, and pasta and oatmeal, or just basically any type of carbohydrate that has not been bleached and made white, like a white bread versus a whole bread. Although high-fat foods are associated with bad health, a person needs healthful fats because it helps with building new cells, brain function, and a lot more. Some healthful fats can come from nuts, seeds, and specific oils. The second category of nutrients are micronutrients, the stuff you need a smaller amount of, and these are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are a little more complicated to discuss as there are 13 vitamins and 16 minerals. So I'm not going to go into that much depth because this video would be really long. But they are both very important as they help with things such as boosting your immune systems, helping prevent or delay cancer, and they improve your bone health. So hopefully by now you are seeing the importance of every single food and how it can play an important role in your health. A person who eats a balanced diet that includes lean or low-fat proteins, a lot of vegetables, complex carbohydrates, and water will get the nutrients they need. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave you with a link for another video to watch that describes how to create a balanced and healthy meal with the correct portions of food. If you're looking to make the transition to a more balanced diet, don't forget to incorporate food from your own culture, as many of the articles online are based around food popular in the United States. Next week, we're going to talk about being active and wrap up how great health is a mix between what you eat and how much you move. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!